Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best oil cooler is probably one of the most overlooked components in your vehicle, but it's absolutely crucial for keeping your engine running smoothly. It works tirelessly behind the scenes, preventing overheating and ensuring your engine oil maintains the perfect temperature. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of oil coolers, exploring their importance and how to choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. Aluminum Oil Filter Housing Kit for Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Are you looking to enhance your vehicle's engine? This full aluminum oil filter housing kit is designed for a perfect fit. It offers improved performance and durability. This kit is compatible with a wide range of models from 2011 to 2016, including Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles. Check the list to see if it fits your car. Unlike the original plastic housing, this upgraded aluminum version won't break easily. It's designed to fit perfectly, ensuring a reliable and long-lasting solution. The full aluminum design replaces the fragile factory plastic assembly. This provides better performance and is much more durable, giving you peace of mind. This product is identified by part number 926 to 959 and many other compatible numbers. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We offer a 1-year product quality support. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we will reply within 24 hours. What we like. This oil cooler boasts a full aluminum design, a significant upgrade from the original plastic components. It's designed for a perfect fit, ensuring easy installation and optimal performance. If you're looking for a durable and reliable solution to replace your fragile factory oil filter housing, this is the one for you. What people say. The heat exchanger comes pre-installed on the oil canister housing, which is machined to spec tolerances under that. The ECT and OP sending units are pre-installed, they are on the ball as far as scale and accuracy. The aluminum should last longer. Number 4. Evil Energy 16-Row Oil Cooler Kit. This oil cooler kit is designed for a wide range of vehicles. It might require extra accessories depending on your specific car model. Make sure there's enough space for it during installation. The cooler has an oil capacity of 0.39 L and is made of durable aluminum alloy. It's designed to withstand a test pressure of 116 psi and a burst pressure of 232 psi. The dimensions are 12.91 x 5.71 by 1.97. The kit comes with nylon braided hoses with a CPE inner layer. You'll get one hose at 3.3 feet and another at 3.9 feet. These hoses can handle a working pressure of 500 psi and temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 257 degrees Fahrenheit. This stacked plate oil cooler boosts cooling efficiency and improves engine oil lubrication. It's perfect for cooling engines, transmissions, and rear differentials. The installation process is straightforward. Just find a spot with good airflow to mount it. The kit includes installation instructions to guide you through the process. What we like. This kit offers a universal fit, making it suitable for most cars. The high cooling efficiency improves engine oil lubrication. If you are looking for a versatile and efficient oil cooler with durable nylon braided hoses, this is a great option. What people say. Works greatly. It's a solid cooler and the sandwich plate is true double O-ring. This cooler definitely worked out well in a tight spot that fit perfectly. Highly recommend for all you guys with tight spaces. Quick and easy installation with all parts provided. Number 3. Mishimoto Ford Powerstroke 6.4 L Oil Cooler. This is the Mishimoto oil cooler, designed specifically for your Ford 6.4 L Powerstroke. It's a direct fit replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. Is your current oil cooler clogged or leaking? This Mishimoto replacement will restore the performance you've been missing. It's designed to get your engine running smoothly again. This kit includes high-quality seals and O-rings. They ensure a leak-free fit, giving you peace of mind. You can trust it to keep your engine protected. For even more protection, consider pairing this oil cooler with the Mishimoto Coolant Filter Kit. This combination will help extend the life of your engine. Mishimoto stands behind this product with a lifetime warranty. You can be confident in the quality and durability of this oil cooler. It's built to last. What we like. This oil cooler is a direct fit replacement for your Ford Powerstroke. It comes with high-quality seals and O-rings to ensure a leak-free fit. If you have a 2008 to 2010 Ford 6.4L Powerstroke and want a reliable, warranted solution, consider this. What people say. The oil cooler works great. The product is well designed and functions as expected. Number 2. Hayden 403 Ultra-Cool Transmission Cooler. Introducing the Hayden 403 Ultra-Cool Transmission Cooler. This cooler is designed to keep your transmission running smoothly, even under heavy loads. It's a reliable solution for your vehicle's cooling needs. The cooler has compact dimensions, making it easy to install. Its design ensures optimal cooling performance. It's built to last and withstand various driving conditions. Featuring 3 8-inch outlet and inlet sizes, this cooler ensures efficient fluid flow. This design helps to maximize cooling efficiency. This is a key feature for optimal performance. This cooler is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including mid-size and full-size cars, and pickup trucks. It seamlessly integrates with OEM cooler systems. It's a versatile solution for various vehicle types. It's suitable for vehicles with a GVWR up to 18,000 pounds and towing up to 3,500 pounds. This cooler provides reliable performance under demanding conditions. This makes it ideal for both everyday driving and towing. The cooler undergoes 100% pressure testing up to 150 psi for quality assurance. It is ultrasonically soldered for enhanced durability. This ensures it meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. Equipped with high-efficiency turbulators, this cooler maximizes heat transfer. This feature helps to maintain optimal transmission temperatures. This ensures the longevity of your transmission. What we like. This cooler is designed for mid-size and full-size cars and pickups. It features high-efficiency turbulators for optimal cooling performance. If you like towing and need to keep your transmission cool, this is a great choice. What people say. Install took about 30 minutes on a 2004 Grand Cherokee with a 4.7 non-HO and a 545 ERF trans. If your vehicle has a factory tow package, it likely already has a cooler in your radiator. I did series, the recommended method. Number 1. Aluminum oil filter housing adapter for Chrysler Dodge Jeep. Are you experiencing oil leaks or housing failures? This upgraded aluminum adapter is the perfect solution. It's designed to replace the problematic plastic casing. This adapter fits a wide range of vehicles, including Chrysler 200, 300, Dodge Charger, and Jeep Grand Cherokee models from 2011 to 2016. Please check the description to confirm the fit for your car. It replaces multiple part numbers, ensuring a direct fit and easy installation. Before ordering, make sure it matches your vehicle's requirements. Made from high-quality aluminum, this adapter is more resistant to corrosion and high temperatures. This ensures a longer service life and a perfect seal. Professional installation is highly recommended. It meets or exceeds OEM standards and is 100% tested before shipping. Buy with confidence. What we like. This product features an upgraded aluminum oil filter housing adapter, designed to solve the common issues of breakage and oil leakage. It is more resistant to corrosion and high temperatures. If you have a compatible vehicle and want a reliable, long-lasting solution, you should consider this. What people say. The replacement part fit perfectly and everything is working again. A lot more durable than the OEM plastic housing. Been on my Jeep over a year, no problems, definitely worth the buy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.